Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. As you know, I'm your teacher, Miss Palaknas from Metropolitan Foundation School. Now, wash your hand till 20 seconds and use sanitizer. Then take out your English B copy. Take out your English B copy. Open new page. Now, firstly, I revise you that what we did in our previous video. We make a title page, month of December, make it creative, and we did singular plural. Let's read it again to revise these words. Bag, bags, paper, papers, bat, bats, short, shorts, walk, walks. And then we did translation. ये कौन है? Question mark. Who is he? We did 5 translation in our previous video. Now, what we are doing today? Open new page. Make a title page of month of January. So, take colorful marker or color in any color. We have to write down the title page. Month of January. Make this title page beautiful and creative. You can draw anything on it, and you can use any color to make this title page creative or beautiful. Now, come to new page. First, before starting your work, mention the date here. What is the date today? Right here. And then what we are doing today? We're doing singular plural again in month of January. Firstly, we use a scale for making a line center of the page like this. And write down the heading singular plural. Singular plural. So tell me what we doing in singular plural. मैंने आपको बहुत बार बता चुकी हूँ, इन प्रीवियस वीडियो एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ कि singular means one and plural means more than one. When we add s in plural, it's make more than one thing. So singular number 1 is shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. And then what is the plural of shop? When we add s in the spelling of shop, shop means one shop. If we add s in the spelling of shop, it makes more than one shops. So shop, shops. If you want to buy something, you have to आपको जब आपको कोई चीज़ खरीदनी होती है, कोई चीज़ परचेज करनी होती है, then you go to the shop and you purchase it. Shop means दुकान. Number 2, bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Bird means churiya. You can see you can easily to see in your sky, on your sky कि birds जो हैं are flying on the sky. तो birds means चिड़िया या परिंदे. चिड़िया, sparrow is a चिड़िया. sparrow को हम चिड़िया कहते हैं, but bird is a परिंदे जो हवा में उड़ते हैं. So when we add s in the spelling of bird, it's make more than one bird. Bird means one bird. And then we add s in bird, it becomes birds, means more than one birds. Number 3, school, SCHOOL, school. You can see कि टीचर ने बिल्कुल नीट एंड क्लीन राइटिंग की है, बिल्कुल सेम एज योर टीचर. You have to do neat and clean writing and write on line. School, and the plural of school is schools. Schools. Number 4, hand, HAND, hand. Hand means half, and the plural of hand is hands. Hands. Number 5, come, 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 and the plural of come is comes, COMES, comes. Shop, shops, bird, birds, school, schools, hand, hands, come and comes. Now our singular plural is completed. Now turn your page and draw a line again center of the page like this. Firstly, start your work. What we did? Date. So first write down the date here. Okay. Write down the heading masculine, feminine. Masculine, feminine. Okay. So number 1, sir, SIR, sir. मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन करा है. आई वॉज एक्सप्लेन यू कि जो है मैस्कुलाइन में क्या लिखते हैं हम. जो मेल्स के नेम्स होते हैं वो हम मैस्कुलाइन में लिखते हैं, एंड जो फीमेल्स जेंडर होते हैं वो हम फेमिनाइन में लिखते हैं. तो सर, मैडम. नंबर 2, सन, SON, सन. सन, डॉटर. नंबर 3, he, HE, he हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हम किसी लड़के का नाम यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं तो उसमें हम ही यूज़ करते हैं. नंबर 4, his, HIS, his. So this masculine feminine is your homework. This masculine feminine is your today's homework. So write down HW top of the page. ये आपको खुद से करना है. You have to do this work by your own self with the help of your guardian, but write your work by your own self. Sir, madam. Sir, madam. Son, daughter. Son, daughter. He, she. He, she. His, her. His, her. Now come to your new page. Write down the date here. And write down the heading composition. 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 My, my bag. BAG, bag. सो माई बैग, आप स्कूल बैग के बारे में लिख सकते हैं इसके ऊपर बिल्कुल ईजली. सो नंबर 1. ओके, नाउ टेल मी विच थिंग्स वी कैरी इन आवर बैग. वो हम कौन सी चीज़ है अपने बैग में कैरी करते हैं स्कूल बैग में? बुक्स. यस. सो my bag, don't forget one finger space, is, and write online, full of books. BOOKS, books. After completing our sentence, we have to put a full stop on the last okay, and the beginning word of your sentence must be capital. So my bag is full of books. मेरा बैग किससे भरा होता है? बुक्स से. Now number 2. It is brown in color. Full stop. You can see C is not perfect, so we make a C between the two lines properly. So it is brown in color. Now tell me students, which color of your bag? आपके बैग का कौन सा कलर है? My bag color is brown, but what's your color of your bag? So if your bag color is pink, if your bag color is brown, if your bag color is black, so you can write your bag color here. Okay. Number 3. It has many pocket. Many, M-A-N-Y, many, P-O-C-K-E-T, pocket, full stop. After completing the sentence, we have to put the full stop on it. It has many pockets. So tell me students, how many pockets in your bag? Many pockets, because 2 pockets are for books and copies, and 1 pocket are जो कि आपके front पे होती है, which is on your front of your bag, is for your stationery, and 2 for your bottles and lunch box, and आपके बैक साइड पे भी एक pocket होती है. So it has many pockets. So bag has many pockets. बहुत सारे pockets होती हैं बैग में, different हमारे पास सामान को कैरी करने के लिए. Number 4. It keeps my book safe. It K-E-E-P-S, keeps, M-Y, my, B-O-O-K-S, books, safe, S-A-F-E, safe, full stop. It keeps my books safe. हमारा जो बैग है वो क्या करता है? आपके बुक्स को कैरी करता है, एंड देन कैरी करने में आसानी करता है, एंड देन बुक्स को सेफ रखता है. सो इट कीप्स माई बुक्स सेफ. मेरा बैग ये बुक्स को क्या रखता है? सेफ, एहतियात से, यानी कि हर चीज़ से सेफ रखता है. अगर जैसे हम बैग को when we carry books in our bag, और जब बारिश हो जाए तो क्या बुक्स गीली हो जाती है? नहीं, सिर्फ हमारा बैग गीला होता है. सो अगर हम बुक्स फिर निकालेंगे तो वो बहुत सेफ रहती हैं. तो इसी तरह इट कीप्स माई बुक सेफ. Number 5. The last one is I love my bag, B-A-G, bag, VERY very much, MUCH much. I love my bag very much. मैं अपने बैग को बहुत पसंद करती हूँ या करता हूँ. So our composition is completed. Let's read it again. My bag is full of books. It is brown in color. It has many pockets. It keeps my books safe. I love my bag very much. Now turn your page. Okay. Now open new page. Write on the date. Corner of the page firstly, and then put the heading translation. 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 So what we did in translation, we converted a Urdu sentence in English into English. So अब हम उर्दू सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. नंबर 1, वो एक बड़ी इमारत है. वो एक बड़ी इमारत है. Now converted this sentence into English. So first you should to read this sentence, this Urdu sentence carefully. वो एक बड़ी इमारत है. So अब वो आ रहा है जब यहाँ पे, तो हम लोग क्या यूज़ करेंगे? That. क्या यूज़ करेंगे? That. जब कहीं पे वो आ जाता है तो इट्स मीन्स वो सेंटेंस दैट से स्टार्ट किया जाएगा. एक बड़ी इमारत है. इमारत बिल्डिंग. इमारत बिल्डिंग एंड बड़ी बिग. सो वो दैट. अब हमने वो सेंटेंस में रीड कर लिया है तो इट्स मीन्स द सेंटेंस इज बिगनिंग विद दैट. THAT. दैट is a बड़ी big. and इमारत building. 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 and put full stop. वो एक बड़ी इमारत है. that is a big building. Number 2. so these sentences are only for that. तो ये जितने भी सेंटेंसेस होंगे ट्रांसलेशन, वो हम लोग that पे यूज़ करेंगे. नंबर 2, वो फूल गुलाब का है. अब यहाँ पे भी क्या आ गया है? वो. इट्स मीन्स sentence will be started with that. and फूल means flower. गुलाब किसे कहते हैं हम? रोज फ्लावर. गुलाब फूल गुलाब का है. गुलाब का फूल रोज फ्लावर. ना वो that is ROSE rose flower. FLOWER. that is rose flower. Number 3, वो बड़ा बस्ता है. वो बड़ा बस्ता है. वो. so we have to start the sentence with that is big. बड़ा बस्ता. बड़ा मीन बड़े को इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. देन इट्स मेक बिग. एंड बस्ता बैग. दैट इज बिग बैग. नंबर 4, वो लैपटॉप है. वो लैपटॉप है. Number 4, that is laptop. And the last one is, first write down the date here. Write down the date here. Number 5, वो मेरा दोस्त है. Number 5, वो मेरा दोस्त है. Dost means friend. When we converted dost into English, it becomes friend. वो. It means we have to start our sentence with the that. That is my मेरा. Friend means dost, friend. That is my friend. Now our translation is completed. We have to repeat this translation. वो एक बड़ी इमारत है. That is a big building. वो फूल गुलाब का है. That is rose flower. वो बड़ा बस्ता है. That is big bag. वो लैपटॉप है. That is laptop. वो मेरा दोस्त है. That is my friend. Now we have to revise as a work. We make month of January title page, and we did singular plural 5. And I give you a homework, masculine, feminine. You have to do this homework by your own self and neat and clean writing. And we did composition my bag. And the last work is translation. Now our work is enough for today and completed. Inshallah, we will meet you soon in our next video. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.